guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making jerk boneless pork chops. Stay tuned. These are the seasonings I use for my pork chops. I use Walker's Woods jerk seasoning, parsley flakes, garlic and pepper, ground paprika, and black pepper. That's all. It's worked out so well. These were the best pork chops I've ever had. And I'm going to show you how I made them. Super easy and ridiculously tasty, okay? So I just checked to see if the pan was hot yet. I did spray the pan with nonstick. I added in olive oil, and I just placed the pork chops flat into the grilled pan. I've been having this pan forever. Actually, it belongs to my mother, if I'm honest. And this thing does the job. I wanted grill marks in my pork chops, but I did not feel like grilling outside. And this just really came in handy today. It was perfect. The trick to getting grill marks in your meat from like a pan like this is to not touch your meat. So I literally placed my pork chops in this skillet, and I did not touch my pork chops. I let them sit. I let them cook until I felt like they were ready to be flipped. And just like I thought, y'all, they were ready. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Look at those grill marks. Oh my God. Y'all, they were so good. You could just smell these pork chops through the doggone screen. The grill marks are perfect, right? And so once I flipped them, I just let them sit again like I did the other side. They did not burn. Your skillet may, get a little brown, but they're not gonna burn. They were juicy, tender, delicious. They had that splat. That's that splat. That's that splat. They were so good. Oh my goodness. You guys have to try this recipe. It's so easy. Just let your pork chops marinate in a Ziploc bag with the seasoning. And I added a little olive oil as well. But this was the finished product. My jerk boneless pork chops were to die for. If you made it this far in the video, guys, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Later.